slippery fish. Slippery fish, sliding through the water. Slippery fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by an octopus, squiggling through the water. An octopus, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by tuna fish, flashing through the water. Tuna fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by great white shark, lurking through the water. Great white shark, gulp, gulp, gulp. Guess what? It was eaten by humongous whale, spouting in the water. Humongous whale, gulp, gulp. Oh no, they don't eat sharks. Gulp.